Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Cynthia Wu, head of sales and business development over at Matrixport. Cynthia, it's great to meet with you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Good to meet you, Jill. It's
all right.
Good to be here. Thank you.
And thank you for joining us. And let's talk about cryptocurrency and industry adoption. How can increasing institutional interest propel the crypto industry?
Thanks for the question. I'm actually here for the DAS Digital Asset Summit this last week, and I actually see a very unprecedented presence of institutional presence here at the event. I mean, some of the most well-known asset managers, some even in endowment fund, ETF issuers, and also banks. I mean, this undoubtedly has been given a lot of confidence to the industry participants that the institutional demand is here and is here to stay. And we have seen them have product plans to roll out in the next 3 to 12 months, and also is ready to deploy billions of dollars of money into the industry. And it definitely is a very positive signal for companies like us who provide custodian, OTC trading, lending, borrowing, and asset management services. That means there's a new clientele that we can get access to. And yes.
Right. And that's encouraging to hear that you saw such a large institutional presence, which leads me to my next question. Why is relentless product innovation crucial in securing a new generation of crypto investors?
Yeah, sure. We definitely feel that this upcoming mass adoption of the crypto assets that's coming right now is going to redefine and reimagine how financial services are going to be provided. And in order to make this happen quickly and in a smooth way, I think the user experience is the key, because basically what we're trying to do is, like Matrixport, and I'm sure other market participants is try to make crypto easy for everyone, so that there is simplicity, there's transparency, there's security to build those trust for the next billion users coming into the space.
How can crypto platforms create an accessible gateway to DeFi for the crypto curious just starting out their crypto journey?
Sure. DeFi has become a really major and revolutionizing factor for the industry since last year. We definitely see that continue. I mean, it's amazing and how a lot of the financial services can be now conducted through smart contract and going to be accessed by more accessible to ordinary people, especially in those less developed financial markets. But it's still kind of heavy to learn about. It's still kind of heavy and very steep learning curve for many of us, and that's definitely not good for retail user adoption. So what we're trying to do here is to provide a bridge where we can, as a centralized platform, to streamline the process to get people into DeFi in a matter of 2 clicks.
So Cynthia, tell us where Matrixport sits in the crypto ecosystem, and what does hitting unicorn status and the Series C funding mean for Matrixport and its path ahead?
Sure, thanks for the question. So Matrixport was started like 3 years ago as a spin-off from Bitmain. And basically what we're trying to do is, like I just said, make crypto easy for everyone. So we provide a one-stop crypto financial services platform where we offer custody, OTC trading, lending and borrowing, and asset management. And we try to make our product easy and understandable to people, both retailers and institutions. And recently we have closed our Series C, which is led by DST Global Partners and joined by some of the more influential family offices in Asia, including C Ventures and K3. And I think that means our investors and users put a lot of belief in us in delivering our vision and bring the product to a wider spectrum of users.
All right, Cynthia, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you, Jill.